everyone, welcome to Deepika Makeup. Hope you all are doing super awesome. In today's video, I'm going to talk about my setting powder that I've been using for a year now. I have been talking about this powder in literally all my videos for the last 1 year. I have multiple backups of these. Whenever I make a trip to India, I make sure to get a few of these, and I don't think I will be looking for any other compact powder in the near future. And it is by LAKME. It's LAKME Absolute White Intense Wet and Dry Foundation. Now coming to the packaging, that is how the product comes in a black carton, and inside is a velvet sleeve, and it's very luxurious that a compact powder comes in this velvet packaging. This packaging actually saved this powder from breaking several times because I travel with this a lot. And then inside is the powder, this beautiful deep purple packaging, and also a little card where it shows how to use this, so you can go for a day look or a night look with this powder. So there's this little added information on how to use the product. This product retails for 700 rupees, which I feel like is slightly expensive for a LAKME product, but the stuff works so well that I just cannot part with this one. And it has 9 grams of product, and I'm in the shade 05 Beige Honey. This perfectly matches my natural skin color. This has a shelf life of 24 months, and I feel like 2 years is a very good time to finish off this product. I feel like for 700 rupees this is not enough product, especially if you use this with a wet sponge like a foundation. I feel like you would go through this product really quickly, but for me, I have used up one full pot in about 7 to 8 months. I do my makeup 2 or 3 times a week, and this has lasted me for 7 or 8 months. But 24 months of shelf life is a very good time for a compact powder. And it says that you can use it wet with a wet sponge like a foundation, or you can use it with a powder brush and dust it all over your face like a compact powder. I personally use this to set my foundation. It has SPF of 17, and it says it lasts for up to 16 hours. And it also says that it has hyaluronic acid that deeply hydrates your skin, restoring its natural youth and glow. It has vitamin B3, and it says it looks very natural on the skin. The texture of it is very smooth. It's very finely milled, really good quality. It feels very luxurious, and as you can see, it has a lot of coverage to it. And personally, for me, the reason I like this is because it has a little bit of coverage, which is a great thing for my acne prone skin. Whenever I have acne, I don't really have to think about too much. I just use a very light to medium coverage foundation and add this powder on top as a setting powder. It edges any discoloration that my foundation has. If my foundation is a little bit dark, orange or light, when I have this powder on top, it actually just edges the shade of my foundation, so I don't have to mix my foundation with others. And I like that it has some coverage, so I don't really have to use a concealer on top on a regular basis. And I like that it's very mattifying. With oily skin, especially in Indian summers, my skin tends to get very oily, and this powder controls my oils for a very long time. I don't really like to use this product as a touch-up product throughout the day because it has some coverage. So once I set my makeup in the morning, but later throughout the day, I use some other powder to just blot my oils or just adjust my makeup. But in the morning, when I freshly do my makeup, this is what I go for. Sometimes on a daily basis, I just use a sunscreen. I use the Lotus tinted sunscreen, and I just use a little bit of this and set my makeup with this powder, and I have enough flawless base to do the rest of my makeup on top. And that's how amazing this is. And there's nothing really bad about this product except the 700 rupees of price tag. For LAKME, I think this stuff is amazing. Since the powder is very finely milled, it works great to set my foundation. It sets the foundation so flawlessly, and it looks as if my skin and pores have been blurred out. I really like that it gives a flawless finish along with adding a little bit of coverage and mattifying my skin. So by far, out of all the compact powders that I've ever tried, this one stands to be the best. Please let me know what compact powders you like using on a regular basis. And that's pretty much it. If you enjoyed this video and found this video helpful, do not forget to hit on the thumbs up button and also do subscribe to my channel. You can also visit me on all my social media. I'm Deepika Makeup everywhere. Stay tuned for more videos and see you all very soon in my next video. Bye.